So, dear student, as we have seen the different functions of the SQL and implementation of the function of the SQL. So this the round function, mod and power has been shown to you, and how they are working, how this particular I have shown you how this GST is calculated and inventory has been set up. So what we see that this particular function has been shown to you, that how we show you the final price and how we have set up this calculator and display the amount that to be paid for the each month of 1000 rupees, which has been calculated after dividing the final price of the card into 10 installments. So this way we have seen this. Now that has been shown to you, and after dividing it we have find it out that how the remaining amount. Now what actually I am showing you, that update and adding and selecting all these things, and those the round function, mod function has been used as compiling them. We are combining them and we have used them. Okay, so as we seen this, now you see some other queries, other pattern of queries. So first let us add the new column. Okay, column commission to the sale table, and the column commission should be a total length of 7 and 2 decimal place. Total length will be 7 and there will be 2 decimal place for it. That means what command we require? We require there the command that we say, the command that we find, that is the alter command we required. Alter command, alter table sale, add the commission, and as it has been said that 7 and 2, that means numeric 7 and 2 we will going to give. That means which table? Sale table. Now after altering it, now what it has said, now calculate the commission for the sale agent of 12%. That means that to be calculated for the 12% for the sale price. Interest of the value to be sorry, newly added, and those the added in and commission, and then to display the record on the sale table, commission if greater than 73,000. That means update the sale, set commission equals to 12 by 100 into sale price. Okay, so those are the things that we will going to see. And lastly what it has said, that you show those values which are greater than 73. That means select asterisk from sales where commission greater than 73. That means you have seen it that as we are implementing it, as we are doing it, so part wise the work has been done, isn't it? We has done the work part wise, and after doing the work part wise, then we will going to implement those the values. Okay, we will going to implement those the values. So as we are implementing those the values, next is that I will go to the SQL afterwards. First you see those things, that display the sale number, invoice number, price and commission number. From the commission, round off to 0. That means we have to select the invoice number, we have to select the sale price, and round off the commission up to the 0th place. From which table? From the sales table. Okay, so these are the things that we have, and we will going to do and we will going to implement. So as we need to implement, as we need to implement those things, as we need to find those things. So let us see that how we are going to make them, how we will going to make those particular pattern, and how we will going to implement those particular pattern, isn't it? So this is the particular pattern implementation. Let us see in SQL. Let us open the SQL and let us see how we can implement it in the SQL form. Okay, so let us start with the SQL. This is the SQL command you have seen. You have seen how we are using them, how we are working with them. Now we will see how we can implement them as a practical implementation. So let us start the practice. Now you see that we have opened the SQL. In this SQL, at first what I have done, show databases. I want to see the database, what are there. So there, these are the databases, and after we have seen those the databases, the database that we have created with our all the files are there, so we will use it. So UAC, use, then the database name, what, student, student, DETA ILS, student details. Okay, student details we have given. So this the thing has been changed. Now we have to see that what are the tables there inside it. That means what will that, SHOW, show, TABLES, show tables. So as we have done it, show tables, see there are the employee table, inventory table, and student table. So as we have those tables, what we find it, what we see it, that we need one more table to be implemented, one more table to be used. So let us see what is that table that we require. That is a sale table. Okay, so sale table we require. So as we find that we need to create the sale table, because as I have shown you earlier, that sale table, what is there, that particular sale table, we have created the employee table, we have created the particular table that we say it, that is an inventory table, and we have created what, we have created another table, that is our customer table. So three table we have, inventory, customer, and employee. Sale table we haven't created, so let us create the sale table first. Okay, so sale table, what if you remember it, that we have an invoice number. So let us create that table here. Create, 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 then TABLE, table, then SALE, sale. Okay, then we open the bracket. After opening the bracket, then we have to give, and we have to write it, what it first, invoice number. Okay, so invoice number, what the data type we will going to give, let us see the invoice number. So INVOICE, invoice, then NO, invoice number, then data type, suppose we are giving here the varchar, VARCHAR, varchar. So invoice number varchar, suppose invoice number we are giving here 15, not more than that it is required. Then after that we will give here card ID, isn't it, card ID we need to give. So we require the card ID. After that customer ID. So card ID and customer ID, these two things required. So card ID also we are giving as a varchar. So let us specify it, then CAR, then ID, card ID, what, VARCHAR, varchar. Maximum limit we required here is 5, not more than that. Then we required what, another table, that is a customer ID. So customer ID in the previous one, if you remember it, what is the CUST ID, customer ID. We will give here the customer ID also varchar, CUST, then ID. Okay, customer ID, this is also VARCHAR, varchar. Varchar, what is the varchar, there also we are taking here, suppose 8, more than 8 is not required. Okay, 10, let us take it, 10, then comma. After that what we required here in this thing, as per the table that I have shown to you, then sale date, date of sale. Okay, that will be a date type. So SALE, sale, DATE, sale date will be DATE, date type. So sale date is a date type. After the sale date, then what we have, payment mode. Okay, so what pattern of payment that has been done. So payment mode, so PAYMENT, payment, then MODE, payment mode. This is varchar, VARCHAR, varchar. Then let us give it not more than 15 is required. So we are giving here 15, comma. After that particular payment mode, then what we do have here, we have here employee ID and sale price. Okay, employee id and sale price. So these two things are there. So let us give the employee id and sale price. So emp emp id, what it is, also varchar, varchar employee id varchar. Let us give it 10, and then sale price, sale, uh, p okay, price, sale price. Okay, sale price we have to give. What we see, that this the sale price, as I have said you, sale price we will give decimal, no, decimal, decimal. So sale price decimal, what is the range? Suppose I am giving here 15 comma 2. So this is the huge scale range we have given for the sale price. Then after the sale price, I think there was nothing. Yeah, sale price will be the last value. So now here, what we see, what we can find. Now we will close the final bracket. As we close the final bracket, then semicolon. So after we do this, see that there what happened, there is some mistake that it has been showing to us, that we have in this particular area. Okay, so this underscore is been given. So let us redo it again. Means just recall it, and what is that underscore has came. Okay, now it will work. Now let us do it. See, query affected, that means one row is there. Now let us see the structure. Okay, let us see the structure. What we will see, DESC, then sale, SALE, DESC sale, that we find it, that these the particular things are there. So see here, the structure has been created. Now here the table will work only when we have to give the values. Those the values that we find, those the values that we going to give here, and we will going to made here. That means some of the value we have to insert in a table. So what we will write, insert, into, insert into sales, then values, values, values. Then you will open a bracket. First the invoice number, you will write the invoice number as per the record invoice number. Suppose we are writing here invoice number in any form. So let us write here invoice number, since it is a varchar, that means within inverted comma. So invoice number, what you will write, suppose I0001. Okay, this is the invoice number. Then card id also come with within the inverted comma. So as we find it, let us give the card id D0001. Okay, suppose this is the card id. After the card id, then we have customer id. Customer id means we have given earlier, that C0001, that we have given earlier. So that we will going to write here the customer id. So what, C0001. So this is the customer id. After the customer id that we have given, then we will going to give here sale date. What will be the date of the sale? Date of the sale we can give, suppose 2019 01 to 24. Okay, 2019 01 24. So 2019, then 19 2019, then 01 month, then year is 20, month is 01, then date is 24. Okay, so as we give it here, then after that what we required, that mode of payment. So how the payment has been made? So payment has been made, suppose credit card. So credit card, let us write it credit, credit card. Okay, so mode of payment is credit card, that we have given here. After that, employee id, what the employee id was there, employee id, suppose E004, all these values that we have inserted. So there we have given what, E004. employee id is this is the employee id has been given. And sale price, if you remember the last practical classes and last classes, those what has been shown to you, that we have given the sale prices. So what will be the sale prices? Suppose 613247, that is the sale price. Let us give that one as a sale price. So sale price one, 621324. Suppose this is the sale price, we want to give it 6, okay, let us change it, 613247. So this is the values that we have given. And after we close the bracket, then semicolon, then enter. So what it has says that sales is not there. Have you seen? So that's why I want to show to you, sales is not there. So what it will be? It will be the sale, not the sales. So these are the common or general mistakes that we often do, and that we often find, that we are implementing and we are working on this particular way. That means okay, we are implementing on this particular way. Now see, one row is affected. That means what it has said, that as the things that we are giving as the values we are giving. Now let us enter at least 4-5 values. So let us do it. Okay, let us enter some values there, either else our implementation will the implementation that we have, that we can't do. So let us insert the another value. Just we will change here, id is 2, then d000, this also make 2, next one also make it 2. Now year of selling, let us change it, the year of selling, okay, year of selling 2018 12 okay, 2018 12 instead of D, let us make it S. Then it will be 2018, this is 12, and this one is also we are changing into 12. Now mode of payment, what should be the mode of payment? One we have given credit card, let us give one as online. Okay, one mode of payment, let us give it online. ONLINE, online. After that, the employee ID, what should be the employee ID and price? That we will suppose employee ID E001, and E001, let us give the employee ID. So just we will change here E001, and price what we will give. So let us change the price values. So price value, suppose we are giving 590321. Okay, so that's the price value that we are giving, 590321. Fine. So as we give this, we are having those particular another row affected. Let us make the next one. So insert into sale. Now let us change those the things, and make it 3. Okay, as we make it 3, now here also we will going to change it, that is S. Now this one we make it also S2. Okay, let us make it an S2. So this one S2, now we make it S1. S1. So here we make here the particular thing, that customer ID we are making, suppose C4. Okay, let us randomly give some values. So here we are making it C4, and there the date also we will going to change. What the date we will give? One is 19 we have given, 118 we have given. Now suppose again we are giving 19, 2019 0125. Okay, 2019 2019, then we are giving here 01 01, then 25. Fine. 25. Acha. Now what is the mode of payment that we can find, that we will give here? Now one we have given credit card, another we have given online. Now this one we let us give it checks. Okay, this mode let us give it check. CHEQUE, check. Now what should be the ID? That E001 we have given, previous one E004. Now what we will give? Let us give it E010. Okay, let us give it E010. So this we give E010, E010, and then we give it the value. So let us give the value. So suppose 60, let us give it 604000. Okay, 604000. So 604000. So these the values are there. This the third value we have given. After the third value we have insert, let us insert the another value of it. So another value, let us again change it. I00, let us make it 4. Then here is 001. So let us make it the D002. We did make D002, so let us make it D002. So D002. Now here we have given C004. Now this C004, let us make C001 again. Okay, so C001 again, let us make it C001. Now date of selling, which date it has been sold, suppose 2018 12/20. Okay, 2018 12/20. So we are giving here again, changing the date 2018, then this is 12/12 means December month. Date we are giving here 20. Okay, so after that, how the thing has been given, what is the mode? Check mode or any other mode? Suppose bank finance, it has we want to give it as a bank finance. Okay, so let us write that BANK, bank, FINANCE, finance, bank finance, it has been given. And after the thing has been given, bank finance, now let us see what we can give this particular employee number. One we have given 10. Now let us give it 7. Okay, so let us give it 7, E007. Let us make it E007. So E007. Okay, now what is the price that has been given for it? Let us select one price, suppose 659982. That the price, let us give it, what we said, that's 659982. So this is the price that we have, and we are making this one. So how many values happens? 1 2 3 and 4 values we have inserted. Now let us insert the another one. Okay, another value, then we will going to do it. So E005, E005. Now this also we will going to change. So what we will going to make this one, let us make E00 E001. Let us make it E001. Then a little bit haphazardly we are making it this particular E0001 001, and code number, we are changing the code of this particular one. What is the code? Suppose E003. So let us make it 003. Let us make this one 3. Date of now, what is the date we will give? One is 2018, 19. More or less relatively, if we give it, then it will be better. What is the mode that we will give? That 2018 12 20, or 2018 10 15, anything we can give. Okay, so 2018, let us give it 10, and let us make it 15. Okay, now what pattern of finance? Then it will going to give the finance mode. Suppose again we are making a credit card. Okay, finance mode, we are making it credit card. Credit card, let us give it, so CREDIT, credit, CARD, credit card. And then we will going to have this particular values that we need to insert. Employee ID, suppose E002. Let us give it E002, and the amount that has been given, let us change this amount a little bit. Let us make the amount suppose 369310. Okay, let us write that. So what we said, 369310. So those are the values that we have given to it. Now let us see the ACLECT, select asterisk FROM from SALE, sale. Select asterisk from sale. As we give it, see here, this the table has been created, and the table values has been inserted. Now let us come to our work. What is our work? Our work is to make the things and make the different query to be implementable. We need to implement those queries that we have said. What are the queries there? That first and foremost is the thing that we have inserted the value. Now we need to alter this table, change it. So that means what commission we will give. Commission will be the decimal number, and decimal place we will give it. So what we will do, what we will write here, see how to change, how to add new field. Now what we'll write, ALTER, alter, TABLE, table, sale, SALE, sale. So alter table sale. Now what we want to do, add, isn't it? We want to add, what we add, commission. So what we will do here, add, add, then we will open a bracket. Now COMMISSION, commission. What is the data type? Data type we are giving, suppose DECIMAL, decimal. What they have said as per the question that we have seen, 7,2. This is the particular decimal place it has been given, and then we are altering it. So it has been seen. Now let us see DESC, what sale, SALE, DESC sale. When we do, see, commission is there. Okay, commission is there. Now what the questions, that first question is to alter it, that we have altered it. Now we have to calculate it. What is the process of calculating? We will write some formula. What the thing we will do, update command we will use, update and set. Okay, so let us make it in capital letter, then you can understand. UPDAT, update, what? Update sale, 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 set, SET, set. What to set? Set commission equals to, that means we need to set the commission. Commission equals to, what we will give, set commission, COMMISSION, commission equals to, what the things we need to give here, commission equals to what, the 12% of the sale price. Fine. So 12% of the sale price. What is the 12% of the sale price? Equals to 12%. That means 12 divided by 100 into what? Sale price. That is there, SALE PRICE. SALE sale price. So this the thing we will give. So now we have to check it, that whether our given thing is right or wrong, whether we will going to have the wrong data, or our input is wrong, or our process is wrong or right, isn't it? So let us give enter. So one row is affected, that 5 matches 5 row has been changed. So what we will do then here, we have to see it. So what in the what way we will going to see it, we will make it that SELECT, select asterisk FROM from SALE sale. Okay, select asterisk from sale. So as we give it, see here, the sale price and the commission value has came here. Okay, those the commission values are been there, and you can see here that how the commission value is been affected. Fine. So this is the things that you can make, and you can do it, that we can update it. Next, what we have, that we want to see the commission value. That means what is the thing is that display the invoice number and sale price and commission such that commission value is round off to 0. So what we will do, we will write here what? Select. Okay, we will write here SELECT, select. Now what we want to see, that we have to know what we want to see. We want to see invoice number, sale price. Okay, invoice number and sale price. So INVOICE, invoice number, comma SALE, sale PRICE, sale price. Those the two things we need to see. Now when we need to see those two things, then what we require, that round of what? Commission. Okay, round of commission. So we are using here the round of function, ROUND, round. What we want to round off? We want to round off the commission. That means round, then we will open the bracket, we will open a bracket, then we will write COMMISSION, commission. How much place? 0th place. Okay, commission 0th place. So this is the things. Now from where it will do, that is a question rises. So we have to give that particular table name from where it will going to do, that FROM from SALE. So this is the table from where it will going to do. So let us see it. Invoice INVOICE, invoice number. Okay, INVOICE, invoice number. So do we have an invoice number? Obviously INVOICE, invoice number, NO. So invoice number is there. So let us see what it is, that what it has said, that from sale, commission spelling there is a mistake, commission sale. Okay, the version COMMI. So what we have given it, COMMISSION. Okay, that the thing we have given. We have to see that particular thing. So let us see it again, that the correction that we will going to do. Okay, see here, this is the simple things that we have missed out. We haven't given the comma. Due to the comma, the thing is not working. So this type of error is very good. Why? Because we are going to alert about ourselves, that what are the things that we are doing and what are the things that we are implementing. Okay, so this is how we can see, this is how we can find that we can have those things and we can implement those things. Okay, so this is the implementation of the data, and we can find it, that how we can implement those data. So thank you very much. That means we are going to end today's session here. Thank you all very much.